Good morning. The wind is picking up and there's going to be a storm today, so I am going to spend some time outside before I'm stuck inside. I'm just going to clean out some of the stuff away from the edge of the house. It has to be done, and it's not going to be that hard, I don't think. All the metal bits I'm going to keep because I think the metal bits will end up in my room. Cleaning that up. I had a lot of different things planned for when I got started here, pulling stuff out of the basement and all, but you know, storm comes first, water diversion is necessary, and cleaning this out and getting something going on it, I think is more important. I'll get this up and hopefully we can get some water out of here. I got this all kind of cleared away. I can get the garbage bag out and start to clean it up. Then I can get in and out of the back shed, the back room, whatever it is, easier. So you can see a little bit more. This here, it kind of scares me to think that this actually might be the cable, electrical cable to the garage. hell of a shape for it. I guess they didn't want to bury it because it's got the cement pad here with a hole, but with a cement, basically I got a cement patio here. So if I clean all this away and put like a gazebo kind of over top of it, and then this old oil pit, I thinking make it into some kind of fish pond with a little bit of a fountain and stuff and some flowers around. I think the back could be really nice with a staircase up to the back patio, replacing this entire flat roof with a patio, and then a wraparound back to the side to the right there around to the front patio. I think it's gonna really have a lot of potential back there. And then I still have this jungle to deal with and get rid of. But the rain is coming, so I think I'll pack it in. It's a little more consistent now. So we do have the hurricane on the way, and then I'll just move my endeavors indoors. Trucks probably stopped hauling last night, and they just kept unloading that gravel. And so now there's a mountain of gravel out on the pier, waiting to get shoveled off. That's crazy. Did you hear that? There's the cellar. Got a chain here, lifting stuff out. That's just some weird ass shit, I think. Listen. Wants in. Oh well, just make a lot of noise and I won't hear it. I think I got one bucket for every drip. We'll see. And now that I've cleaned this out, I think the concrete can start to dry. Probably best these holes get filled. There's one in this corner, and then one down into the cellar. It looks like. Looks like they tried to block it off. But I want to get those blocked off so I don't have any more critters going in. I saw that there was a hole in the back side of the house over by Jerry's side when I was doing the roof, and so it's directly down into the basement, I think. And considering the basement is right there and I do not yet have an interior door, it would be nice to be able to block this off and stop stuff from coming in with these absurdly short ceiling or roof ceiling door frames. Duh. The door frame where you can hit your head. So now that we've got this important room, which I think is either a mudroom or right now we'll call it the generator room. The generator needs to be unboxed. And then before we unbox the generator, we're going to take a quick run upstairs and see if there's any leaks up there. Let's hope not. And to the left, carpet room. No leaks. This would be the hardest one to find it because it won't make a noise. It looks dry. How's my tarp doing? Well, looks like it's okay from here. We'll have to see from downstairs. You know, this room. I think I'm gonna make this in my bedroom. I don't hear any. There's all the garbage I collected today. Pulled out from beside the house, and there's some more from in the house there. But no, this is looking pretty dry. Still messy, but dry. The hallway, bathroom. Horrible. Horrible. Anything up here? Hey? Don't hear anything. Be hard to tell in this room too because it's got 3 ceilings. Well, there's one, and then one broken, and then this drop ceiling, because hey, why not take another 5 or 6 inches off the house? What about in this space? Scary as shit. Scary ass shit. Because that's what you need in a house like this. It's more scary shit. That's just a bag of insulation that was never used. And that just goes up to the roof. Yeah. I think if all these pipes were taken out, I could make all of this bathroom. Because there's no reason why there's that fucking much space in there. Is there a curved ceiling of some sort, but we'll fix that. That might be the chimney in there. Because there's a couple feet in there that's not being used. Alright, so got the curved ceiling. Let's just put a hanger here. What the hell? This is going to end up, we're going to use this for a computer room for the time being because it's got a nice view. Now when we redo it, I think that this needs to be a full glass window so that we get rid of all this empty space you can't see out. And then if I have this one match the one downstairs, I think that would look nice. Well, there's Peter over there. He's getting ready for the storm. He's been working hard making his jewelry all day. Can't wait to get over there and see what they build over there because they got sculptures and everything over there. Well, I guess he's going for some of that gravel out on the pier. Anyways, dry? I think so. All that has to be removed. I got lots of inside work to do. I know some people have been interested in that grate, so it looks like there's a piece missing here, but in the corner it's broke off. It's not installed properly, not at all. Be best to just take that right out, use it for something else. I don't like it right in the doorway. Everybody has to step on it. The pink hall. So this is a really long hall with really weird staircase. Right, there's insulation just right there. The paint that was probably used on the floor, looks like, right there where it was left. Big gaps. I don't know if mice and shit could get through that. What do you think? And multicolored room. again with the drop ceiling, I don't know. This is a fairly flat roof up top, and that might be a problem here. But we might be able to sneak it up a bit if I can make another patio. If I can make a patio on top of this one and get the structural support all the way down to the ground on 4 corners here, because I think I can get walk around out here, a very narrow walk around in order to get out to the front here. But and a walk-in closet. Oh yeah, with the dust and fucking carpet. God, I'm gonna have fun ripping the shit out of this stuff. But I don't know. Still, floors aren't quite that level, but I don't hear any water dripping. There's these big marks on the ceiling, but I think that's more of a paint job. It's been painted to look like the cosmos. They only glow a little bit. Well, they do glow. Well, they glow when I charge them up with this fancy new light. Look at that! Oh yeah, okay. They might actually glow more if there was a window as opposed to this. I guess something broke and they covered it up. Certainly like their paint jobs. Okay, that's quite ornate too. And we'll give that away. Anybody want it? We'll put it up. We'll do like 1,000 likes and we'll get it. Give it away. I've got a whole bunch of stuff for that. Well, upstairs seems to be dry. I'm happy. Happy with that. Take a listen. All right. We got one more thing to look. Let's see whether let's see if I actually block the rain. Here's the... Oh, yeah, that room's wet. This room. Of course, it's going to be dry. It's got upstairs. What about this room? Better be dry. It's my bed. Hey, Chestnut. You sleep all day. You're going to come out at night, aren't you? Again. And freak me out. His little wheel was spinning. I thought somebody was upstairs peeing in the toilet. And then I heard a twang, and I thought, oh my God, they're in the old bed up there. But then he went back to running again. I thought, nobody pees that much. I don't care if you're a hobo or not. Water in the bathroom. Well, just what I bring in. So, 2 more rooms left. Oh, Lord. All right. Well, seems to be water coming in. A wee bit. Look at that. That's just fucking disgusting. So, my patch didn't work. Or it's coming in from somewhere else. Probably coming in from that whole thing. What about in here? Yeah, that's somehow still coming in. It's not a... It was only a chance I was going to keep water out. I might have kept some water out. I have no idea. I think it just gets one more storm. No more, though. No more storms. I'm going to do something about that. And I do like this panel board. I don't know what the hell. This must be expensive stuff. Well, that's just a horrible thing. Oh, I'll go this way. Yeah, it's concrete. Not as... Jesus, what a mess. Got lots of pipes here. Realized that to the left of the collapsing chimney that there was a flow back. It doesn't seem to be going off the roof. It's going actually back and into the room. So I think the rest of it's working okay. I think it would be a hell of a lot more pouring down there if it wasn't for the tarp. I think I'm going to go and fix it. So I'm going to go outside and protect my new house from this hurricane. Sounds like it's slowing down a bit, but I got to be smart about it because I know that I don't have a lot of heat. I got my little furnace, but it's not a full-fledged, like it's not heating the whole house. I'll be cold when I come back, so I want to make sure that I'm not soaking, drenched, and drenching. Like I only have 2 pairs of jeans until I get out of quarantine, so I don't want to wreck them on like day 2. So I'll be smart about this. Okay, I got my bathing suit on. You see, I'm gonna go out there and I'm gonna fix this roof now that the rain's slowed down a bit. So I'll go do that because it's a hell of a lot easier than me finding that rain slicker that I bought. Just vacuum some water up because this bucket here wasn't angled just right to catch 2 drips. This one here has captured a lot. Even this little one's got a bit. That's good. It's not dry, but then I didn't put any tarp on the roof of this section, so that's to be expected. But hell of a lot better than that. Up at least diverted an entire bucket. This little bucket can of water, so that's good. The changes I made up there helped. And here. Well worth it. All right. That's good to find in the morning. Hey everybody. Today I'm going to shine the light, literally. Brought the light in one of the messiest rooms in this place, and I think that I'll feel a lot better once this is cleaned up. There's no big piles of dirty ashtrays. The dock, this thing, can get moved. And the thing is that last night was a big win with the dripping, because this is where the floor is collapsing and there was a lot of water coming in. There is water coming in now that it's raining harder, but I think it was a lot less than we could have seen. So if I can get this all cleaned up, remove the walls, and then be able to get this big old furnace out of here, taking some of the weight off the basement, it'll make it a lot easier when I go to level it up. And I'm not even sure if there's basement under this section or whether this is just whatever they used for flooring collapsed, because this is an add-on to the house, which everybody says was a mistake, especially the way that he built it. front window all cleaned out. Got a nice angle to it. A little bit of rot in the corner. A hole right outside. That's beautiful. Let's go take a look at that. Caused by that hole. Installed real good. Wired up real good. I love this wiring. That's nice. With a plug on it. I guess that goes to the outside for the fancy lights and stuff. Thanks for watching another episode of Digging Into Life. Please hit the like and subscribe to this channel to catch more as I dig deeper into the basement and other nooks and crannies of this 100-year-old house.